Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News JA. So me I tell us a waste man Foota hype. Him come out once again. And me I tell us this time him come fi attack Vybz Kartel again. So if you never know, Bounty killer visa got reinstated after 15 years without traveling to the US. And me I tell us it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling for dancehall because you know Bounty killer can go in and do music. But little did Foota hype know, Bounty Killa did a go link up with DJ Khaled and Vybz Kartel. So Foota hype at this Vybz Kartel I say him always a take up in rubbish them because you know Foota hype jealous over Aishana to this day. So Foota hype I say Vybz Kartel can't they in the league of Bounty Killa because a JetBlue in travel pan with see them, whilst Bounty Killa go the private road, the private jet. As me say, Foota hype just corrupt as usual, and it was a shocker when him find out say Bounty Killa did actually go link up with Vybz Kartel and DJ Khaled, and it was DJ Khaled private jet. So me I make you watch it and tell me the thing.
Right. Everywhere me left a rubbish bag, the man pick it up. Everywhere me go, best thing Bounty Killa coulda do, brother. Yesterday, I got private jet pan the pussy them. The best. And me run this. Jerome, aka Kojak, and me run this. And they say, I me them a fella. They say, everything me do them fella. I go to and pick up my father and go to bloop. And me and my father, I roll. Then you see them go parents setting now. I don't realize. You see me and my father I make 2 steps. Me not follow people and me lead. And me lead. And go so with my father and rip. So man go so now parents setting. And me run the place. And me them a follow. You know say everything me do them follow. Yeah. You see it. And me run the place, man. And me run the place. You can deny all you know want and me run the place. And me them watch like TV. See from them me not talk about them not gonna viral. I want to. Give them back a little piece of hype. Cause Killa take away the whole place. Killa take away the whole place from them. Give them back a little spotlight. Give them back a little spotlight, Foota. Bounty Killa take away the place. But no want water down the man thing. But Khaled send jet for Killa. Khaled send what? Khaled not send no jet for the man. Man spending money and dealing with them thing in a style. Where no class come from? Persian, you say a cap, me a cap Persian. No JetBlue, no boss fly pan with him wife. How? Hold on man, me want understand this. Oh, me feel rich and value so much million. Zine? And me fly with my wife pan JetBlue. JetBlue? How no fans love talk about rich? Killa of the real class. A general class they done go. A general class they done go. Private jet. Private with the whole team. With the whole team. Yeah. No leg room pan JetBlue. You have a squinch up. JetBlue will turn in a hunchback. I want here. Blood clot here. One general. Ground Godzilla. One. Show them how it's done. Alright, me show this a pussy. And the whole on a bad man in the blood clot. Oh, you never talk. Would you come back America? Private would you go? Private jet. Bounty Killa come back America. Private jet. Levels to this. I want here. Levels to this. Don't size up. Some boy, a little boy. I want to know. One Gargamel. One Warlord. I want here. So well do no. On ready to talk about act like you on a pussy, ready to tell lie. Say a Khaled send jet for Killa. Remember, you know, I make a private jet what they me and being it to, you know. You remember? And some people, oh, it now move, it now this, it now that. Uno they ever go through a gate, if you go near the step. JetBlue? 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 If you ever see King Charles on a JetBlue flight, me pay you. If you ever see King Charles on a JetBlue flight, me pay you. The word king and JetBlue not go together. The word king and JetBlue don't go together.
If shame and disgrace was a person, I would have never want to be Foota hype. Foota hype come out in him rant and I try the segregation with Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killa. Radam in a Foota hype face. A Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killa me seen a DJ Khaled studio. We the best. And it look like them a cook up something too. So when Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killa collaboration job, Foota hype I go take him 3 points. Foota hype. Boy, me know you try, brother, to stay relevant, but every single time you make yourself a walking disgrace. And Foota hype. Me never really want to hurt your feelings, you know, because you know sometimes when people are go through things, you have to sympathize with them a little bit. But Foota hype, it's sad to tell you, I shanna gone Foota hype. I shanna now come back in a Foota hype. Foota hype give up on the Foota hype. Let go all hope. I shanna just gone, me brother. And she now come back. So it don't make no sense you hate everybody who come in contact with Aishana. Foota hype, you can't just go around and hate people, so, you know, because of Aishana, you know. Foota hype, right now, I don't even think Aishana like you. To be honest. Believe.